This video will review Adaptiiv's QA procedure for the Axiom 20. Adaptiiv is aware that proper maintenance of a 3D printer within the radiation therapy department plays a significant role in obtaining quality prints. At Adaptiiv, our printers go through a strict QA and maintenance procedure, ensuring that our printers perform optimally. Weekly and monthly maintenance and QA procedures should be performed on each printer. Adaptiiv's weekly QA consists of 6 basic printer checks. The first is a mechanical check, ensuring that belts are tight and that the ERC, the metal construction holding the belts and extruder, is tightly mounted. The next check is the state of the nozzles. If there's any visible damage, nozzles should be replaced. The third test is nozzle leveling. Nozzles can wear off as they are used, and if any nozzle is used more than the other, the nozzles may become unleveled. Adaptiiv checks nozzle leveling once a week. To do this, load the Axiom 20 calibration G-code once the bed reaches the highest position and use a business card to inspect the nozzle leveling. If either of the nozzles is lower, follow the next subcourse which explains the nozzle leveling procedure. The final 3 checks are to inspect the state of the printing glass, the cleaning brush, and the lubrication of the rods. Ensure the print bed glass is not scratched or damaged. Ensure the cleaning brush is still able to clean the nozzles. Then check the number of printing hours since the rods were last lubricated, and ensure that this is performed at least every 100 to 150 printing hours. The rods that should be lubricated are the 2 vertical ones for bed motion and 2 horizontal ones on the ERC for extruder motion. This slide provides an example of a checklist that we use here at Adaptiiv for weekly QA, which includes all of these checks. Monthly QA consists of the 5 weekly checks plus printing a small benchmark case to confirm X, Y, and Z printing accuracy. You can download the benchmark G-code for the small benchmark case from the client portal. After you print this G-code, use calipers to measure the dimensions of the print and compare them to the preset values. Use a scale to measure the mass of the benchmark and compare this to the calculated value. Our criteria for mass agreement is within 5%. This slide provides a sample form for monthly QA. The pass criteria used for caliper measurements in the X, Y, and Z directions is within 1 millimeter. Again, the masses must agree within 5%.